still Japanese economy is really bad shape. But I think gradually we will start to see a positive economic growth, but it doesn't mean that Japan will have a V-shaped recovery. Japanese economy itself is very fragile, and then in the past, it was really depending on the active business investment activities and inbound tourism activities. And at this moment, we are not able to expect that kind of a steady growth for a while. So I think Japanese economy gradually improving, but it's very, very slow process.
And I wonder how the Bank of Japan regards the additional steps we got from the Fed overnight. Certainly the market globally has been cheering these moves. And it makes me wonder if, on the one hand, the Bank of Japan feels, okay, we have to follow suit and also consider more liquidity measures going forward, or if they're saying the Fed is almost doing the work for us and helping conditions globally.
So I think, Bank of Japan is already doing lots of asset purchase program for over 7 years, and then almost they run out of all the tools. So what they can do is, for example, in case that the government and Bank of Japan feel that more credit growth should be taken, then maybe Bank of Japan can provide greater subsidy to the interest rate applies to their lending to the commercial bank. But otherwise, I really do not see Bank of Japan has additional, tools available.
Right. Given that, Sayuri, that Japan has an equal trading relationship, literally equal. If you look at the numbers, 20% of its exports go to the US, 20% of its exports go to China. Given that trading equation, do you not think that Japan would get a facelift as far as international trade and exports are concerned, with both China and the US coming back online, even if it's in a phased manner?
So trade is very important, like you said, but last year we had a trade deficit, and so the contribution to the real GDP was negative. And this year we are also expecting negative trade deficit, just simply imports greater than export, and then actually export are dropping. So I think trade sector is really suffering a lot. And then until we might see a better international trade activities, maybe some improvement in the relationship between United States and China, and so we at this moment affected severely. So I don't think trade we don't see expect a greater export growth. So we cannot expect much from exporting sectors.